Cook some French crepes with me while I tell you about all the exciting French immersion courses that we have on our menu at Wisewood. Here at Wisewood, our mission is to help learners understand that learning a language not only gives you important reading and writing skills, but is also a powerful tool to help you learn more about different cultures and lifestyles. That's why our Course Plus programs teach you skills beyond grammar and vocab to give you the most authentic immersion experience possible. If you're learning French, why not try our French and Cookery course or our Discover Provence on Foot course to learn about France's rich cultural heritage that makes it a country of life and art. Between lessons, explore breathtaking locations like Rouen, Montpellier, Nice, Bordeaux and Provence, and uncover a France you'll never want to leave. With courses for all ages and abilities from as little as €250, just email or DM us to find the course that best suits you and your needs, or visit our website for more information and dig into language learning this summer. Don't just learn, live the language with Wisewood.